Next in Scratch, we are going to create a fun game with our cat sprite. So this cat sprite is our default sprite. When we click a cat, it is going to earn us a point. And along with that, in background, there will be a music running. So first of all, for that, here I'm creating a variable. We'll go to variable block and here make a variable. Here we are going to provide the name of that variable as score. Okay. So here we can see that our score variable is set to 0. So our game is whenever we are going to click this sprite, this score variable will increase by 1. And in background, there will be a background music. To add that music, we'll go to sound and we'll click here. And we can search our music, or if we know, we can search it by name. So this chill music I'm adding, along with that one more music, gold chair. So these two music I have added. Now we'll go to code. Now we'll go to events, and whenever this cat sprite is clicked, we'll go to sound, and in sound we are provided with the option play sound until done. So we are doing it for cat sprite. So here we are choosing a sound meow, cat sound. Now whenever this sprite is clicked, this sprite is going to say meow, and along with that it is going to change the value of the score variable. So for that we'll go to control, and in control we are provided with change, not in control, in variable we are provided with this option change my variable by 1, and here our variable name is score, so instead of my variable we'll choose score. And in the end we'll go to looks, and here we are provided with this say hello for 2 seconds. So this sprite is working right now. When I click this sprite, it will say meow, and here we can see that score variable is now 1. Now it is 2. Now it is 3, 4, 5, like that it will go on. Now we have to add background music. So for that, whenever green flag is clicked, now we'll go to sounds. We have to put a sound in background. So first of all, we are going to set the volume of that sound. So here we are provided with option set volume to 50%. We have to go to sound. Set volume to 100% it is. So we are changing it to 50%. Now we'll go to control, and in control we'll put this forever block here. And again we'll go to sounds. We have to bring this here, play sound gold cheer, and instead of gold cheer I'm saying chill, means this is going to be our background music. Now again I'm going to control, and in control I'm putting this if then block here. So for condition we'll go to operators, and in operators we are going to bring this block here, and here in this circle we have to put our score variable. So we'll go to score and we'll drag and drop this here, and instead of 50 here we are saying it should be 5. That means when the score is greater than 5, then it should play a different sound. So for that we'll go to sounds again, and we'll drag and drop this play sound block here, and instead of chill here it should be gold cheer. That means when this score is greater than 5, then it is going to play this sound, and along with that this cat should say something. So here I'm putting say hello. I'm dragging this block here, and instead of hello I'm saying open. And in the end we have to stop all the sounds. So again we'll go to sound, and here we are provided with the option close stop all the sounds. So our game is ready. Go to variables, and we are going to set this variable to 0. Now when I click this green flag, it is going to give that background music. So background music is going on,